Pastor Stewart was an active patient to start with, and he was really suffering in his quality of life due to his hip pain. He had severe arthritis of the hip that was limiting his range of motion, ability to do his recreational and work activities that he wanted to due to his hip pain that had been worsened over the last few years. Eventually we decided that he would be a good candidate for outpatient hip replacement surgery, and we proceeded with that.
Well, I tell you, it was painful to say the least. I had a hard time sleeping. I would have a noticeable limp that I tried to hide as much as I could, and all of a sudden I had to stop doing all the things I really enjoyed doing. And that was really, not only physically did it bother me a lot, but psychologically as well. It just, everything kind of shut down, and that was no fun. I come here quite often to Parish to visit with people that I'm ministering to, and so I have an opportunity to certainly walk with their journey, but for me, it was a whole different idea, a whole different perspective, I should say, for me to come in here and actually be the patient. I had no idea what that would have been like for me personally. Dr. Musto was really quite an incredible surgeon. There was absolutely no pain after. The surgical pain is one thing, but from the actual joint itself, it's been quite an amazing journey, and I'm expecting to start running in just a month or two, and Dr. Musto has done a fantastic job of getting me ready to re-experience life as I wanted to.
Seeing Pastor Stewart back in the community and able to help others and enjoy his free time activities has given me immense pride and accomplishment on both a personal and professional level. The decision to undergo surgery, especially joint replacement, is always a personal choice, and it's a meeting with your healthcare provider and having discussions, the first step you can take towards getting back to the activities you like and the quality of life that you may be missing.
Parish is a place of healing, but healing isn't just doctors and nurses. It also is how they care for you and love you. And I think, not to exaggerate, I really felt that warmth. I really felt the love of the people here that made my experience just quite special. I couldn't encourage you more to come and put your hands in the trust of the doctors and nurses and the staff here at Parish. They really go out of their way to make you feel comfortable, and they have the skill and the dedication to make your outcome as special as mine has been.